guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, I'm glad you found us. Today we are doing another Halloween look that is so simple. You use your everyday makeup and that's it. First, what you do is you put on your base as normal, and then you draw eyes on your cheeks, about even with your nostrils. You color those in with white eyeliner, and then you add eyeshadow to the top of the eye with your eyeshadow. How simple, right? If you don't have a white eyeliner, you can find those at Walmart, any grocery store. They're only a couple of bucks. After you get your eyeshadow on, then you're going to go ahead and draw in the pupil of your eye. Again, just using eyeshadow. I used blue, and once you get that eye pupil drawn on, you can go back with the white eyeliner and put a little glimmer in the eye if you want. That's totally up to you. You can see it starting to take shape. You want the eye to be filled in and really look like an eyeball. Okay, after I get my eyes on, you're drawing your lips, and what you want to do is you want to draw exaggerated lips. So I'm using my lip pencil and I'm drawing my top lip huge. Okay, and once you get that drawn huge, then you go in with your lipstick or anything red that you have, and you do your lips. I'm going to leave my bottom lip normal, but the top lip is going to be exaggerated. As you can see, I have a nice full lip. I look like a Kardashian. Ha ha ha. It's a joke. What am I doing now? Oh, blush. Yes, every girl's got to have her blush. So I'm putting my blush on right where my cheeks are on my tiny face. Remember, we've cut our face in half with this makeup. And this isn't only great for Halloween, obviously, but this is great if you're having a fight with somebody, to make them laugh. If somebody doesn't feel good, you could, do this makeup and it will crack people up. So it's a great makeup. It's a great feel-good makeup, but it's also a really great kind of creepy, weird makeup. Now, I don't know if you've noticed, but I've added false eyelashes to the eyes. That's right. I just put them on my cheeks, just like normal eyelashes, and then I covered up my eyes, and there you have the tiny face. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure and give it a thumbs up. Be sure and leave me a comment down below about your favorite Halloween costume. Also, give me a thumbs up, and be sure and hit that subscribe button. Thanks. See you next time.